Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see how to connect the console to the PlayStation 5. First of all, we are configuring time. That's one console will be connected. The second one we are going to connect. Let us see how we are going to connect and use at a time both of them. First of all, we'll check which one is working. In this there is one issue. Now I'm pressing this button like a ps button, and just you can see while use this one, you can see it's working, and at the same time just you can see this one it's not working. And now I press this button ps, can see if I press this one, now this one is working. See, now it's working, but the second one not working. So let us see how to connect both of them, and for playing, let us see. For that, at present this is connected, right? Now you can go for the settings, just to the top. See, now it just it's over here. Now we press the setting option and we go for the accessibility. Just press the accessibility, and from here you can see this controller button here, controls, and come this side, and here you can see the option use second control for assistant. Just press over here, and it's switched on, and we have to share this second one. For that purpose we are going to press this and this button for sharing. Okay, you can see now both the controller option you can see over here. Now let us see whether it's working or not. Now you can see it's this one nothing is working, and you can assist your control. Okay, now let us see whether it's working. This see back, it's working, right? And over this one, now you can see both are working, and see over, just it's coming back, and see now both of them are working. You can see over here it's moving, and let me use this one also. You can see now it's working, and both of them are it's working, and we can check whether the both of them are connected or not. For that purpose, just go to the upside and go for the same settings, and from these settings just we will come down and we go for the accessories. You can see over this option, and from here we'll select the accessories, and we go for a Bluetooth accessories. You can see for general, and over here the Bluetooth accessories, just we select this option, and you can see now both the controller have been connected. You can see both it's connected. So this is how to connect the controller, and it's a very simple method. Most of them just some of them there is in videos just connecting this controller before pairing. There was some difficult to pair this one, and they find difficult. So let me show you. The most of them are just we'll come for back and see. If we come back, and most of them are they are going for this accessories, and you can see over there just directly they go for accessories, and they press this selection button, and go for Bluetooth accessories, and just they will hold this button for pairing. Sometime it won't pair properly, so so better, as I said, you just come back and over here. As I said, I'll show you one more time. There's accessibility. Sorry, I have better press the back button, go for the accessibility, and that's controllers, and you can see for a second use assistant controller for that, switch it on and just press this and this ps and this share button, both hold this both button, it will be connected automatically. And after that, come back and you can use this control, both control at one time. So this is how to connect the controller. So if you like the video, please subscribe and support. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. See you.